Hello everyone. Today I will unbox and review about this product. So initially I recorded the video. Now I am providing my voice using this headset and it has a nice noise cancellation feature. If you are outside and in a crowd area, the person that you are talking, they will not listen the outside noise. So it's a nice feature that I tested myself. And the sound quality when I listen the music, it's really great so far. And it has several pairs of rubber, what is called that you can adjust inside your ear or the earbud. And it has a USB-C charging cable inside it. And I previously used the Soundcore Mini Pro or P12 something, and that's why I used the upgraded one because it has really nice feature and it cost 80 euro. The original price was 100 euro, so I got 20% off. You can see how it looks like. Just watch and see. So first I try to find out the opening edge, but interestingly there are no opening edge, but you have to slide, you have to push from one side. Let's see. So I got it in this way. You have to close it and then you have to just push from upper side. So this is how you have to open this. So this is a nice feature and this is how it looks like.